Good day, everyone. I am Edgar Padarafales, and this is our system entitled 21 Dental Clinic Online Reservation Management System. Okay, so let's first demonstrate the customer side or the client side. Let's proceed to the account where we can create uh, an account, and here's the form or to sign up. So let's provide our information details such as first name, last name, email, and our password. And let's provide this. So let's provide our password and verify our password. Now, since we sign up, muna niya to ang landing page. So let's proceed to the book appointment page. So here's our book appointment form, and provide our details such as our full name, our email address, and a contact number. And here section, we can select our services na ato ang ipa-appoint. So let's say dental cleaning and dental crown. And here, mo provide tag ato ang date and time where when ta magpa-appoint. So let's say for an instance, June 25, alauna sa hapon ta mo kuan ako ay mo adto. So submit our appointment. Now makaadto na ta sa ato ang view appointment page where makita nato ang ato ang full name and our services and date and time. Since our status is pending pa man, so moadto na ta sa staff side where we can create a ma-approve na to appointment. So let's go to online appointments page. So here in online appointment page, makita nato na si Edgar Apales nagpa-service sa dental cleaning, dental crown. So in this date and time. So let's approve. Once we approve, our go back to the customer side and check the status since na-approve na. So ang customer pwede na makaato on the set date and time. Okay. Now, let's go to the supply page. Here in supply page, makita nato ang product name and category. So here, mo provide ta o let's say for an instance, paracetamol and category niya, let's say this one, at product, since ato lang na ang product. So paracetamol containing peroxide. So maka-edit ta as well and maka-delete. So let's delete. Okay, na-delete na nato. Now let's go here in services. So here in services page, maka-add tag services or makita nato ang services name, price, and action. So maka-add ta all services. So let's say for an instance, add ta this one and how much price. Add services. Now, naka-add na ta og services which is dental implants and its price niya. So, maka-edit and delete po ta as well. So, let's delete. Okay, so na-delete na nato. Here in appointment, nakakuan ta diri, maka-add tag appointment as well if through walk-in. So, kita na nato si Edgar. Now, let's go here in invoices. So, to print the receipt, so let's say si Edgar, nagpa-dental cleaning and crowning. So, create invoice. So, iyang status is pending pa. Kay, magpaabot pa man ta sa doctor side sa iyahang prescription. So, let's go to the doctor side. Well, I will let January ikaw na po to discuss or demonstrate this side. Now, I will let you ikaw na po to the
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So this is for doctor side. First, i-click mo ang your patient. So, di na makita nimong information sa patient, which is like, for example, first name Edgar, email, then contact number, services nga na-provide, and also the doctor side information, date of service, and pwede naman siya update or delete. Then second side is supplies, which is kanang makita mo ang product inventory, which is ang product ID number, and also product name, like for example, Mepinamic, and category, which is unsay type of tambal ni siya nga unsay treatment niya, and also prices. Pwede mo edit and edit of action. So next is kanang sa add prescription side, which is diri ang that's the time nga mo add ang doctor nga kanang like for example need niya mo prescribe og tambal sa isa ka patient. So for example Mepinamic, amoxicillin og antibiotics og kanang tulo, then for example 2 times a day, dahil saon instruction sa mga sa button, then add nimo siya. So diri na that's the time nga mo reroute ka sa date og patient name og total amount sa iyang prescription o status niya og kay mo siya ang medicine prescription. Then lastly kay online app, which is pwede nimo siya i-go through o i-decline.
Now, thank you for
Thank you so
that.
much.
Ikaw na po. Since na doctor added the prescription, let's go back to the staff side where we can print the receipt. So here's the still the status is pending. So pag mo click na ta siya sa action, it's completed na and we can now print the receipt. So here's the printed receipt. Since na naman tay data if sa na ato ang sales, so we can go here in a sales report of the staff where we can monitor the total sales of this month. So let's say, okay, nakita na nato ang total amount na nagain nato throughout this duration of time. And now, let's proceed to the administration side where I will let Joy Garcia to demonstrate the functions and process of this administration side.
Okay, so good afternoon, ma'am. So in the admin side can create the user's account and so on. So makita man na siya din ha. Create user. Aka na makita siya niya maka-create ang admin og mga users account if ever ganahan siya magdungag og tawo under sa iyang supervision. Pero kana create the staff account, the doctor's account, and all. Pero dili ni siya pang daily use. Kay pang monitoring naman ni siya sa admin. Kinahanglan niya i-monitor ang system. It's either twice a week or thrice nara na niya ipinsaw niya. Another, siya mo ina power na maka-add og user's account while the staff is an assistant of the doctor. So ang staff na is, ang kapariharan nila is pareha silang maka-monitor. Pero so both staff and the admin is maka-monitor sa system. So since both man sila is pwede sila maka-manage about the appointment and so on. Pero ang mga future sa admin is only the admin can create or add people under sa iyang supervisions.
So in conclusion, so this is our system, which is entitled 21 Dental Clinic Online Reservation Management System, where focuses on its reservation through online. So we can, so that's all. Thank you.